mountains are a striking and impressive feature of Montenegro. They are included in the country's name in every language of the world. But apart from the mountains, it is also the sea with its bays. Look how beautiful the Bay of Kotor is. The town of Kotor was inhabited as early as ancient Rome. Today, a lot of tourists come here, and not so much for the beaches as for the history and architecture. For centuries, as part of the Republic of Venice, have left a beautiful legacy, placing Kotor on the UNESCO World Heritage List. In the 9th century, a church in honor of Saint Tryphon was founded here. The building was destroyed several times by earthquakes, and now we see the result of UNESCO's effort to reconstruct the unique monument. Just look at the charming old town of Kotor, which has preserved its medieval atmosphere. And here is the little ancient church of Saint Luke. It was built in the 12th century. Montenegro has a lot of yacht ports. The marina in Kotor is not the largest, but it has its admirers as well. What could be better than a cozy cove surrounded by picturesque mountains? The old town is surrounded by a strong fortress wall with bastions, and inside lie winding streets that you can wander through for hours. The houses remain residential, although many have stores, cafes, and mini hotels. Kotor is a real glimpse into history. Unlike popular beach resorts, there are very few modern buildings. Another interesting church is named Our Lady of Remedy. It is 100 meters above sea level. Kotor is a fortress town, and its old defensive wall still stretches along the slope of the mountain. It is up to 20 meters thick, and it has not been damaged even by earthquakes. St. John's Fortress covers Kotor from the east, and just beyond it, there is Mount Lovchen. If we had walked here, we would have had to climb 1,400 steps. Our virtual walk has shortened this distance, giving us the opportunity to enjoy the beauty of this unusual town from above.